Hello, good morning. This is teacher Jacob, and this video is for seventh grade. Today, we're going to have a listening class. So this is listening. Listening is very important because you remember the sounds or you remember how is the pronunciation of the words in this case. So you are going to do two activities in this video class. Activity one is listen, and then you are going to copy. You're going to copy a dialogue, okay? So you're going to listen to dialogue, and then you are going to copy, right? Activity two, it's different because I need it. You are going to listen again and you are going to complete the page 103 listening part. Okay? So remember, listening is very important. So you're going to listen and complete the exercise 1, 2, and 3. Okay? So listen and complete the exercise 1, 2, 3, page 103. Okay. So remember two exercises. Exercise one is listen and copy the dialogue. So when you're ready, you tell me. Now let's go. Let's practice. Remember, listen and copy the dialogue. Ready? One, two, three. This is a dialogue. Two persons. One is Craig and the other is Paula. Okay? So, great. Hi, Paula. Are you going to watch the game on Saturday? So, repeat. This is a dialogue to students. Gray and Paula. Gray, repeat. Gray. Hi, Paula. Are you going to watch the game on Saturday? Question mark. Paula. Hey, Gray. No, I'm not. It's Ross's birthday party. Okay? Repeat. Hey, Grace. I'm not. Is Ross's Ross's birthday party. Great. That's right. I forgot. Paula, are you going to go? Great. Yes, I am. Paula, are you going to buy her a present? Great. Yes, but I don't know what. What are you going to buy for her? Paula, I'm going to get her a t-shirt. Great. Nice idea. Paula, what are you going to wear? Great. What do you mean? Paula, didn't you know is a custom party? Great. No, I didn't know. Hmm, Paula, I'm going to wear a Hunger Games costume. Canucks Aberdeen. Great. Oh, cool. Paula, what about you? Gray, I really don't know, but I'm definitely going to wear a costume. Okay, so this is the listen and copy. Of course, I'm going to repeat. Repeat again. Listen and copy. This conversation to Gray and Paula. Gray. Hi, Paula. Are you going to watch the game on Saturday? Paula. Hey, Grace. No, I'm not. It's Ross's birthday party. Gray. That's right. I forgot. Paula. Are you going to go? Gray. Yes, I am. Paula. Are you going to buy her a present? Gray. Yes, but I don't know what. What are you going to buy for her? Paula. I am going to get her a t-shirt. Great. Nice idea, Paula. What are you going to wear? Gray. What do you mean? Paula. Didn't you know it's a costume party? Gray. No, I didn't know. Paula. I'm going to wear a Hunger Games costume. Katniss Evander Everdeen. Gray. Oh, cool. Paula. What about you? Or what about you? Gray. I really don't know, but I'm definitely going to wear a costume. So this is the listening part. So this is what you need to do. With this conversation, you listen and then you copy on your notebook. After that, you're going to complete on page 103, you're going to complete the book. For example, exercise 1, look at the cartoon and guess what's the occasion is. So what kind of party is this? It is a party, it's a festival, it's a birthday party. What is it? Okay? Yes, there are many options. One option in the picture, look at 103. You look at 103, this. Look at the picture. You need to do exercise 1, 2, 3. So in the picture, of course, it's like a party. It's an special event, a special moment. Yes. So yes, definitely it is like a kind of Halloween party. Yes. Or could be a school party. It's possible too. So you need to write one of them. Okay. Then you're going to do the exercise number 2. Listen to the conversation between two friends. Look at the cartoon again. Yes, look at the cartoon again and say why Cray is going to wear a costume. Okay, the girl, why is she wearing a costume? Why? Why? Okay, so you're going to find out the answer in the listening part, especially at the end. At the end, you're going to hear uh, Paula is going to telling Gray, and Gray say, "Okay, remember, you forgot that there is a party, but this party is very special because it's like a Halloween party. So everybody in the party, they have to wear they have to wear costumes. I mean, mask, different characters. So, and she said, "Oh my God, I forgot." So definitely, I am going to wear a costume. Okay. So this is more or less the answer that you have to write in the number 2. So number 3 is very simple because it is about to write true or false. Okay? So listen again and mark the statements T true, F or F false. Remember, T or F. A. Paula and Gray plan to attend Ross's party. That's good. That's good. Is T or is F? Yes, I think so. You understand pretty well. Yeah, I'm not going to answer. Okay. And that's all. That's the class for today. It's a listening part. It's it's something not difficult for you in my point of view. That's why you need to understand that you need to listen, you need to copy, and you need to answer the questions. Okay? In that case, you can learn so many things, especially if you want to improve your speaking skill. You need to listen. You need to listen a lot, especially conversation. Of course, this is a very slow conversation because I want is that you can write, you listen the sound, and then you copy. So it's not complicated in my point of view. I think it's going to be very simple for you. And then you can practice. I know some of you are learning a lot. Some of you are getting an excellent pronunciation. Some of you are excellent students in English. So, congratulations. And you are learning English. You are improving your English because you listen. Listening is very good. Listening is very important. And listening is the best way for learning how to speak another language and is the best way for improving the pronunciation. If you listen, you learn the pronunciation, you learn how to speak in another language. Okay? So I hope so you understand this listening video, and we have next time we're going to continue practicing. So bye bye, bye bye. So see you, teacher Jacob. So see you in the class. Bye bye.